Huayu A1302 series high-speed printing slotting die-cutting machine. The feeding unit. The machine applies advanced type vacuum suction auxiliary lead-edge feeding system. Increase the feeding speed, decrease the phenomenon of blocking paperboard in the using of back-kick feeding system. High-pressure centrifugal fan auxiliary feeding, ensuring the smooth feeding of the bending cardboard. The blowing can be adjusted according to the different size of the cardboard in each section, ensuring the biggest section, guaranteeing the stable feeding. Function of the super thin feeding, ensuring the 2 mm cardboard can feeding better. Front bar is adjusted manually. Left bar and right bar is electrically adjusted by screw. Right bar owns the function of pneumatic flapping. Equipped with the skip feeding function, ensuring large size cartons can be made. Pneumatic raising and drop the cardboard, convenient and fast. Installing 7-inch TFT touch screen, preset 200 group orders. Order searching, 0 order input. Synchronous 0 function. The automatic manual adjustment of the face. Management of the parameters. Up and down the plate. Auto and semi-auto inking. Keeping the first and the last cardboard completely with ink. Automatic display of production and speed, and setting of the quantities. Interlocking switch with slotting unit. Realized the sudden stop feeding or refeeding, forward and reverse jog. More humanity. Back paper holder frame with electrical adjust. Equipped with brushed device to sufficiently eliminate dust and scraps, as well as foreign substances on the printing surface, and to improve printing quality. The upper feeding roller applies silent pressure relief device. Object to balance alignment. Elastic buffer. Wearable rubber smooth feeding. Reliable and accuracy. Will not damage the paper when feeding gap is small. The low feeding roller is embossing and chrome plated and subject to balance alignment. Interval of the feeding roller is adjusted by high precise one box with a range of 0 to 11 mm with 3-disc handle seats. Convenient and swift. Separation by electricity and pneumatic locking up. Electrical adjusting by dialing, working with alarm bell to ensure the security of operators. Applies the pneumatic interlocking device, hard locking and easy operation. Equipped with force limiter to drive axle to protect machine. Ground locking device ensures stable and fast running. Soft locking device. When working, the machine be locked up, otherwise it cannot start at the beginning. Enhance the security during working. The printing unit. The printing roller made by super quality steel with grinding and chrome plate. Subject to balance alignment, stable running, fixed with high-speed running. 0 lines was equipped on surface of roller. Convenient for hanging plate. Ratchet coil axis with left and right locking up device. convenient for honing plate. Axle adjustment of the printing roller is manually with scope of plus or minus 10 mm with the locking device. Foot switch control the turning direction of roller. The pressing roller, made by seamless steel pipe, guiding and chrome plate, subject to balance alignment, stable running, applies lateral clearance adjusting device with the feeding gear, ensuring the precision of transmission. Interval of the feeding roller is adjusted by high-precise worm box with a range of 0 to 11 mm, with 3-disc handle seat, convenient and swift. The annex roller applies seamless steel pipe with grinding and chrome plated and balance alignment. Pneumatic automatic up and down device and raising device. When feeding, the anti-locks roller down and touch the printing plate. When stop feeding, the anti-locks roller up and leave the print plate. The rubber roller, seamless steel pipe with wearable rubber wrapped, highly rigid and have good ink transfer effect. Speed difference device with the anti-locks roller so that it can scrub ink. Automatic raising device preventing dry of ink. Pneumatic diaphragm pump ensuring stable inking. Easy operation and maintenance. Have inking filter filtrate the impurity. Pneumatic circular inking system. Printing face fixing device. Planetary gear structure. Printing face applies PLC and touching screen control and electric digital adjusting with 360 degree both running and stop. Automatic reset system. After printing plate be cleaned. Printing face fixing device and pneumatic brake device. If separation happen, the brake device will stop the motor and keep the gear at the original situation. Auto zero device, ensuring uniform adjusted of the machine and decrease waste by using one cardboard for test. The slotting unit. Actual vertical movement of the nav seat and height of the carton are controlled and adjusted by electricity. Interval is adjusted by high-precise firm box with a range of 0 to 11 mm with 3-disc handle seats, convenient and swift, equipped with emergency stop devices to ensure safety. Slotting face and height adjusting. Planetary gear structure. Slotting face applies PLC and touching screen control and electric digital adjusting with 360 degree in both running and stop situation. Single axle and double knife slotted. Height adjusting applies electrical adjusted by inner gear so that lubricating oil is not easy to polluted carton, and having an anti-collision protected device to make sure the machine will not be damaged. With 4 pre-pressing wheels, synchro control of actual moving a pre-press roller and a slotting plate can be effective in preventing the phenomenon of broken of cardboard. High-intensity scoring axle with 110 mm surface with grinding and hard chrome plating. The up-pressing roller with appearance of polyurethane will not damage the cardboard, and the upper and lower pressing wheel can be changed conveniently. Actual synchronous adjusting of the pressing wheel and slotting plate. 7mm alloy steel slotting knives with indent heat treatment to enable good hardness and toughness of serrated slotting knife. Each slotting plate has a separate driving motor for actual movement. Unique pop-up cleaner device for paper scraps. Convenient operation. The die cutting unit. Die cutting roller is object to balance alignment and hard chrome plate. Super quality steel with compensating gear device in phase adjusting, digital display and control with adjusting in 360 degree both running and stop. When feeding the die cutting roller, pneumatic up and touch the rubber roller. When stop, it automatic down and separate with the rubber roller, saving using time of the rubber roller. The rubber applies Taiwan polyurethane rubber. Smooth cutting and easy installation. Can be used for more than 8 million times. Mechanical left and right moving device with 40mm for rubber roller. Each cutting in different place. Prolong the using life of the rubber roller effectively. Speed automatic compensating device. Circulation of die cutting on the axial direction. Ensure the same grinding of the rubber all the time. Automatic compensate the speed when outside diameter changed, making sure that all the boxes are the same size. The soft roller self-repairing device, raising the rate of reuse. Transmission gears and lubrication. High precision helical gear device. High precision helical gear drive. 45 quality carbon steel. After quenching, high frequency hardening, grinding and other processes. Hardness is HRC 45 to 50. High strength with the transmission gears. Face alloy steel gear 40 CR used by carburizing, nitriding, high frequency hardening, grinding and other process. Hardness HRC 48 to 55. Grinding precision can reach to 6 degrees. Smooth operation. Good wear resistance. Low noise. Ensure long-term drive accuracy of the machine. Using a closed spray lubrication system to ensure transmission accuracy life. Double oil pump balanced mechanism. The main machine apply cap locks unit link to reduce the connect interval and make sure the connection accuracy and reliability.